In this video, we have taken an example of the Excel dashboard, and let's say that we want to generate the same report. We want the sales by each person region wise. We want the sales by month, and we have the beverage sales contribution to overall sales in a pie chart form. And here we have the timeline. So we are taking this just as an example so that we can identify what requirements do we have. We have the same database in a Tableau as well. So let's get started and let's see how we can generate these kind of reports. First of all, we have created some kind of analysis, but if you want to start over, either you can just clear all the data right from here, or otherwise we can just start a new worksheet from the bottom. Let's start a new worksheet. And again, it will show you the blank screen where you can create whatever you want. Let's make it my analysis. I'll just rename this, hit enter. It will show the title here as well. So you can edit the title directly from here. Let's mention it inside my new analysis. Let's see, apply, and even we will just get rid of this greater than and less than sign. Click OK, and the title is changed here. But this is where you want to show it as a header. You will notice the sheet name remained the same, and you can separately change the title name. Now let's do this. Beverage wise sales contribution. We know how we can do this. First of all, we just need to put the beverage on the rows, and we will put the sales amount next to it in the data field. And here we have the totals. All we have to do after that is just go to show me button if it is not shown and it's not showing the pie charts. After that, just click on this pie chart and it will easily convert this for you. After that, you can increase the size of the pie chart like this. You can format it in whatever color scheme you want. You can assign a different palette to it. Let's say these palettes. Now the next one is a line graph. Let's say that we want to make this one. This is line graph. So let's say that we want to insert it in a new worksheet, and let's name this as line chart. Here what we want is the dates should be in row fields and it should be arranged month wise. So let's make it month wise. It's not year wise, it's month wise. And the sales amount should be in the data. Now let's convert this into a chart. Let's click on the line chart, and there we go. You can try out different charts, whatever suits you, but this is the one we need. And let's say if you want to change it to day wise data, let's click on day, and now it shows like this. Let's convert it back to the month. So we have this analysis of month wise sales. Let's move to the next one, which is this. Sales by each person region wise. As you can see, this is the salesperson sales. So overall bar is for the salesperson, but within this bar, there is different color representation for each region. How do I make this? Let's see. Let's insert a new chart or new worksheet. Let's click on the new worksheet and let's name this as stacked chart. Let's put the salespersons here, regions on the top. If you want to put it on the top in the columns area, you just drag and drop right above this data field. So what this will do is it will paste it right here, and sales should be pasted in the center. So this brings all this details. If you want to fit to the proper width, you can do that from the top. And after that, we want to convert it into the stack chart. Let's convert it into stack chart. And as you can see, it looks quite similar to this. If you want to format it further, just go to the colors, click on edit colors, and whatever color palette you like, you can just apply that. Click on assign palette, click apply, and the color scheme will change. Assign palette, apply. You can see in the background, the color schemes are changing. So now what happens is for each salesperson's region-wise sales are mentioned in different colors, and it's also showing the maximum sales for each salesperson. And within that bar, it's also distributing it in region-wise sales. All right, now let's move to our next analysis. And let's say for this analysis, we will insert a new sheet and we want to calculate the region-wise profit, let's say. So region-wise profit. And what we want here is we will put the regions in the rows. We will put the sales amount in the data field so that it can show us the total of each region. And also what we want to do is let's add the cost of goods sold as well. but how will we do it? Well, that is not a problem. What we want to do is just hold the cost of goods sold bill and put it here again in the data field. It will keep the existing data of sales and it will also insert the cost of goods sold. What do we do if we want to change the placing? Let's say we want the sales amount to be the first column and the cost of goods sold to be the last. So what we want to do is just hold the heading and place it wherever you want. You can just hold and drag it wherever you want and the column will be shifted right away. So that's how you do it. But the problem is, first of all, let's increase the width. Fit with width. It has increased too much of a size. Let's bring it to the standard and let's increase that manually. So until now, I want you to create this region-wise report and put regions, sales and cost of goods sold. And in the next video, we will use the calculated field option in order to create the profit field. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.